Alright. This little gem here just showed up from the UPS guy. I've been waiting for a while for this one. Especially since they were on backwater. I gotta say, I'm excited. A little bit banged up down at the bottom. I'm not worried about that at all. So let's crack it open and see what we got. Well, got most of the staples popped up. We got one more here. It might go. There it goes. You guys gonna see this for the first time just like me. Oh, look at that. This is exactly what you guys get if you order an Anvil from NC Tools. This is what lies in the box. This is the Knifemaker Anvil. That's pretty. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. A little bit sharp. Got a little bit of dressing up to do. And they got the pritchel hole all filed out, but not the hardy or the face yet. But we'll take care of that. Oh, that feels nice. Got your manual. Looks more like, yeah, more like different products that they make, not the manual itself. I guess you don't really need a manual for an Anvil. I have no idea what that's for. But then you get the Anvil itself. Double walled box. £70. And there it is right out of the box. Got the coating here on it, on the sides and on the face. That will come off relatively easy. I'm not worried about that. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy. Especially with having a London style Anvil again that I can actually use. Yeah, this is what 70 pounds of happiness looks like. Of course, I haven't had a chance to really start forging on it yet. I just got the thing, but yeah, things are about to get interesting.